Alright, so in the last video we looked at using where clauses and setting up some conditions by which to filter our rows from the products table, or filter the rows returned from the products table when this query is run. We're not limited just to doing these things, though. We can also do some calculations in the where clause here. So for example, let's go look at our products table really quickly. So one thing we could do is we could say, we could write a query to only grab the products where the price times the max discount is, less than a certain amount. So let's go ahead and let's try that now. So back over in our SQL editor, I'm going to come back here. I'm going to delete everything after this where up to the semicolon here. So we can say where price times max discount. And let's just try to do like less than 500 right now. And let's run this query and let's see what we get back. So, okay, so we get, let's see, 5 products. I think we have a total of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what didn't come back here? It looks like the shirt. That's because the shirt, if you do the calculations on these columns here, the shirt would come back with 10 because 40% of 25 is 10, which is greater than $5. So we can do that. We can flip this. Let's get the shirt now. So we could say where price times max discount is, let's say, greater than or equal to 10.00 here. We run that. So now we see the shirt is returned to us. And again, we're selecting all of the column information to come back from this query. So like I was saying, at the beginning of the video, we're not limited to just those simpler calculations. We can do some more complex ones like this right here, and the SQL is going to handle doing the arithmetic computations first before doing the comparison checks. So that's an example of doing some more complicated stuff inside of our where clauses. We'll wrap this video up here. We'll see more of this as we go on through this section. In the next videos, though, we're going to look at how do we update values in rows and also how do we delete rows from the table. So I'll see you there.